Yo, yo, yo. I haven't made an IRL video in a while, and apparently you guys like when I go into the fridge. Yes, that's what we gonna do. Yeah. Let's go. By the way, guys, it's freaking 12 in the morning. Low-key, bro. It's low-key crazy. So, what better way to do that than the fridge? Yes. For no reason, there's like a 50% chance that my mom comes out here like, what are you doing awake at 12 in the morning? But what she doesn't know, I'm always awake at 12 in the morning, you know? What's up? It's me, and I just went into the fridge. Yes, the fridge. Yes. Yeah, I know, bruh. But like, I've been working on it. I've been working on opening a fridge. Yes, a fridge. Yeah, I like opening fridges. Okay? So, I'm gonna do a tour of my fridge. It's pretty boring, basic stuff. Butter, eggs, cottage cheese. I don't know what that is. Tortillas. Just like ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, hot sauce, just all that boring stuff. I've got like leftovers, like they suck. Let's be honest. Leftovers suck, okay? We have milk, stuff like that. Lettuce, a bunch of vegetables, just what you would expect. Yo, what's up? I'm going to get a midnight snack, because you may not know this, but that's actually my thing, you know? I love getting midnight snacks, you know? Yeah. What should I get? Ooh, I have an idea. I'm going to have some hot sauce. Better way to celebrate this night than hot sauce. I mean, this is a YouTube video. I'm gonna get a large spoonful. Okay. That's too much. Get this first. Into the kitchen and sees this, it's the mess is gonna be kind of crap. There's not really that much mess on this side, crap, guys. Well, I took a large spoonful of hot sauce. I mean, I didn't know that that much would just come out so fast. I spilled half of it, which is not good. Anyways, guys, I'm going to attempt to eat the camera. Anyways, guys, bye.